Hi everyone! Today we will be discussing the case Mapp v. Ohio, which significantly shaped the interpretations of the Fourth Amendment rights in the United States and raised critical questions about freedom of speech. In 1957, Cleveland, Ohio, police officers speculated that a bombing suspect was hiding in the home of Doree Mapp. Acting on this lead, the officers forcefully entered her home with a fake warrant. During the search, the officers found explicit content, which led to Mapp's arrest. The police had not been searching for this material. Their primary objective was to locate the suspect. Mapp was subsequently charged and convicted under Ohio law for possessing obscene materials.
Am I the booty hole for fighting the police? I, female, live in Cleveland, Ohio. One day, the police came to my house because they thought I was hiding a bomber. Crazy how? They forced their way in with no warrant, so I had to resist. Let me show you.
Ohio State Police.
Do you have a warrant?
No.
Get out! Bro,
I got the warrant.
bro, that's fake.
What? How is it fake?
Then they went to search through my house.
Wait, I think it's this way. We forgot to check that corner.
Wow. I ended up getting arrested for the obscene books I didn't even know were there. Anyways, guys, I'ma go to court. Wish me luck.
Mapp's defense focused on First Amendment rights, specifically the right to freedom of expression. She argued that freedom of expression extends beyond speech, such as the right to possess materials even if they're considered obscene or controversial. Her legal team argued that the government's attempt to restrict what she could possess in her home was an infringement on her personal freedom to access and hold information as she chose. Beyond the First Amendment argument, Mapp's case highlighted a critical Fourth Amendment issue, the right to be protected from unreasonable searches and seizures. In Mapp's case, the police entered her home without a warrant or a probable cause. This raised serious concerns as this search violated the standard legal process for obtaining evidence. Her defense argued that the officers' actions disregarded her right to privacy, creating a dangerous situation where authorities could bypass citizens' rights in pursuit of evidence. This Fourth Amendment argument emphasized that any evidence collected through such unreasonable searches should not be used in court, as it undermines the legal protections intended to guard individual freedoms.
The defendant's argument was illegally owning obscene material. They also recognized an unlawful search and the Wolf v. Colorado case, which was the exclusionary rule that doesn't apply to the states. The Supreme Court Chief Justice Earl Warren resulted in the 6-3 vote in favor of Mapp. They also extended the exclusionary rule to the states through the 14th Amendment Due Process Clause.
Update, guys, I went to the Supreme Court and won my case. 6-3. We helped extend exclusionary rule using due process clause. Thank you, Chief Warren.
Everybody knows that I'm a good girl, officer.
Now we're on to the importance of this case. Well, for starters, it expanded the powers of the exclusionary rule, making it so that illegally gained evidence is not accepted in court. If someone attempts to use evidence found without a warrant, they won't pay any mind to it. There is a loophole to this rule, and that is having probable cause for the evidence, basically saying that there was a clear reason from facts to suspect that someone is being bad. The Fourth Amendment was enforced, protecting us from unreasonable searches and seizures. It also recognized the right to privacy in states, overturning the court's previous ruling on Wolf v. Colorado.